Christy from Christy DeRoche Digitals, and this is another quick tutorial about using your planner in Google Slides. This is probably one of my favorite features of a digital planner. Regardless if you're using it on an iPad, tablet device, or Google Slides, the search feature is just my favorite. So let's say you bring your computer or your tablet or your iPad into a meeting, maybe it's an IEP or a parent conference, and you want to discuss everything you've documented about that student, whether it's a positive parent conference or whether it's something we need to work on with this student. You want to make sure you have all of your data at your fingertips and you are ready to go with all of your documentation. So let's look at this planner real quick and some things you may document. So again, this is a blank planner. I'm not going to show you my actual planner because of privacy reasons for my students, right? So this we're just going to use, and we're going to pretend that I am meeting with Ross's parent. That is my husband's name, so we're just gonna go with that. So for example, I might have Ross's grades. So I'm gonna come to my grade book, and I'm gonna put his name in, so that way we know, here's Ross, and on this test, he got an A and then a B, okay? Also, we might have documentation of when he took the benchmark test. So I'm going to come here to my student data, and this is going to be Ross's page. Sorry. His page, and then when he took the STAR fall benchmark test, he got an 88%. And then maybe a 92%. This could be on different standards, and you could change the dates up at the top. Okay, so that may be one thing. I may also meet with Ross during my small group time. So I'm going to come here and document when I meet with him in math, and the day I meet with him, the skill, and what I observed. Then I also might want to be documenting when I talk to his mom on the phone. That would be my mother-in-law, right? And I'm going to document every time that I've discussed with her anything about him. Discussed progress. And let's see what else. We also have any other conferences you can note. Oh, let's go there. So we have a parent conference schedule, parent conference notes. So this may be something I take notes on, but this is the best part. So you come into your meeting, you open up your Google Slides planner, or maybe it's on your tablet, and you're going to search for that child's name. So on a computer, I press Command F. Yours might be Control F, but that's just how I search it. So when I press Command F, I'm going to type in his name. There we go. I'm going to type in his name and hit search, and it's going to bring up all of the instances where his name came up. So this is the first one, and then I'm going to click the down arrow, and it's going to go to the next one, and then the next one, and the next one. So no matter where you wrote his name, it will come up. So if I've conferenced with this parent before, I've documented data on him, maybe it's an IEP, and I have all kinds of different printables that I have inserted, because you can insert images of a printable that is specific to your district or maybe to your classroom, and then you can put text boxes on top, search that student's name, and there it is, ready to go. So now when I'm talking to Ross's mom, I can discuss with her his grades. I can discuss with her when I met with him in small group, what I've been doing with him, and the progress he's made. I can also discuss, oh, remember when we talked about it on this date? Yes, I do. And then I can also talk with her about the student data tracking that I have tracked on him, the progress he's made, and I can also print this page out or email this page to her if I wish. So again, it may be different on your computer, but you can always search by pressing Command F. I don't think it's up here. I might be overlooking it, but you can easily search by pressing Command F, or it might be Control F. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share for this quick tutorial. I hope this helps you in any way. Please be sure to tag me on social media. I would love to see how this planner helps you and how it changes you, and I hope you have a great day.